All right, y'all, so check it out. I'm gonna make this real quick. I'm gonna hook y'all up. I know I ain't got my cowboy hat on, but it don't make no difference because I can't use it right now, but I'm still gonna hook you up, even without the cowboy hat. So check it out. I know a lot of y'all out there got Jeeps, trucks, or whatever, and you keep taking it to the shop to change the diff oil. Guess what? I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick, real easy. Some of y'all know this ain't for you, but the ones that don't know, this is for you. So first thing you need to do is you need to go to the owner's manual, or you can call the dealership or whatever and ask them what type of fluid or what type of gear oil, whichever one you want to call it, that your diff uses. Then once you find that out, then you need to get the torque specifications for the bolt on the drain plug, the bolt on the fill plug, and for the cover if you're going to take it off and inspect your gears. Now, if you don't know what those are, hold up, I'm about to show you. Wait a minute. Gotcha. Now I got an aftermarket cover, Yukon, but it don't make no difference because they're all the same. So right there's your drain plug, right there's your fill plug, and here's all your bolts for your cover. Right there, yep, see them all? First thing you want to do is you want to take the drain plug out. You want to let it drain into something like this, bucket, bowl, I don't care what you put it in, let it drain into something. Then you want to take the fill plug out. Now, these bad boys got a little magnet on it. You can check and see if there's any metal shavings or anything on the magnet on your plug. Now, if you're like me, sometimes I'll take my cover off and inspect the gears. You can do that as well. Then what you want to do is, for some it's different depending on your vehicle and your specifications. Always make sure you look it up and make sure you check it out. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it back up like so. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yeah, y'all like the sound effects. Put it in there till it gets right up about to the hole. Some say 1/8 down, but right up to the hole so it doesn't come out, or you can do it till it comes out. Doesn't really matter. However you want to do it. You put that drain plug back in, tighten it up to the torque specifications, get out from under there, and you are good. Now I need y'all to keep in mind that if you do decide to take your rear diff or the front diff, doesn't matter each one, if you do decide to take the cover off and inspect the gears, make sure you tighten those bolts up back in sequence. And once again, look it up in your manual. If it's not in your manual, look it up online or just ask your service department. Somebody can get you to it. It's out there. You ain't the first person that's worked on these things, I promise you, because if you don't tighten them up in the sequence that they specify for your vehicle, it will leak. Then you're gonna have problems. We don't want problems. I don't want them. I know you don't want them. We try to minimize them. But that's your tip for today. Hope that helps somebody out. Hope that makes your job easier. Hope that saves you some money. Y'all peace out. Stay safe. Don't forget to smile. Go out and change your life. Go out and change somebody else's life. Change your vehicle's life.